ChatGPT is an advanced language generation model developed by OpenAI, one of the leading organizations in the field of artificial intelligence. The model is based on the transformer architecture, which has proven to be highly effective in generating human-like text. With a massive amount of training data, ChatGPT has been able to generate high-quality text in a wide range of styles and formats, making it a versatile tool for a variety of use cases. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text in response to user input. This makes it ideal for use in chatbots and other conversational applications. For example, a chatbot powered by ChatGPT could be used to provide customer support, answer questions, and provide information on a wide range of topics. The chatbot could use the language model to generate coherent and relevant responses to user inquiries, even in cases where it may not have pre-existing knowledge on the topic. In addition to chatbots, ChatGPT has many other potential use cases, including content creation, language translation, and even scientific discovery. Here, we will explore some of these use cases in greater detail. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate a wide range of content, including articles, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. For example, an article written by ChatGPT could provide an in-depth analysis of a particular topic, such as the latest advancements in renewable energy. The language model could use its vast knowledge to provide context and historical background, making the article both informative and engaging for readers. Similarly, ChatGPT could be used to generate social media posts for a brand or business. The language model could create posts that highlight different products or services, provide tips and recommendations, and respond to customer inquiries and feedback. These posts could be generated in real time, making it easy for businesses to keep their social media presence active and relevant. Product descriptions. ChatGPT could also be used to generate product descriptions for an online retail store. The language model could write detailed and engaging descriptions for each product, providing information on size, material, and care instructions, as well as highlighting the unique features of each item. This could be particularly useful for e-commerce businesses, as well as those that need to provide detailed product information to customers. Content curation. ChatGPT can also be used to gather and curate content for websites, blogs, and other platforms. The language model could search for and gather articles and information related to a particular topic or trend, and then compile them into a digest or article. This could be useful for a variety of content creators, including food bloggers, travel writers, and others who need to regularly update their platforms with relevant and interesting content. Language translation. Another potential use case for ChatGPT is in the field of language translation. The language model could be trained on multiple languages and then used to translate text from one language to another. This could be particularly useful for businesses that need to communicate with customers in different languages, as well as for individuals who are traveling to a foreign country and need to translate text in real time. Data analysis and insights. You could use ChatGPT to analyze and derive insights from large amounts of data, and sell those insights to businesses and organizations. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a highly versatile tool that has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, goodbye.